So now we're going to discover the Jewish quarter. Let's go! Canareggio is one of the 6 Venetian districts, and the quiet neighborhood is best known for the Jewish ghetto of Venice. Here you'll find the Campo del Ghetto Nuovo with its old synagogues, art galleries, and the Jewish Historical Museum.
And now that we are in the Jewish quarter, we are going to discover one of the most beautiful supermarkets in the world. And yeah, you really hear supermarket. Let's go!
The Teatro Italia is a singular architectural gem in this city full of magnificent structures. Inaugurated in 1916, the neo-Gothic and Art Nouveau style building is one of the first examples that used iron and reinforced concrete. It is one of the rare cinemas in Italy that still retains the original structure and interior painted decorations. After much haggling and design changing, the Teatro Italia is now a Despa supermarket.
After the quick tour to the supermarket, just in front is the time to go to taste some delicious Venetian sweet. Yeah, this work is hard. So we start with the focaccina veneziana, and here is one must. And in this place you can find this only on Wednesdays, so take care. It's a very particular sweet. I think there is a bit of alcohol inside the dough and is very soft and not that sweet. It's super good. Delicious.
One particular thing about Venice is that there are no cars and no buses. So to move around, you just have to go on foot or take some boats. After a long walk, we couldn't resist to stop at the Captain Candy Shop to buy some candies that we definitely recommend you to taste. Did you know that Venice used to be the richest and most powerful center of Europe? It was a republic dominated by merchant capitalist elite. Thanks to its geographic position, Venice grew in both wealth and power, due to its ability to control trade between Europe and the Middle East. And now we are on the famous gondola and we're going to have a beautiful ride. So let's go to explore that beautiful city.
And the canal.
The actual origin of the gondola is shrouded in mystery. Italy, Turkey, Greece, and Malta all claim that the gondola originated in the land. Used primarily by the town's elite class, gondolas were decorated with pretentious decor. Hence, in the 16th century, the Italian government placed a blanket ban on increasing extravagance and ordered that all private gondolas be painted black, a practice that continues till today to maintain uniformity. So we are in front of the St. Mark's Basilica and we are going to try to enter inside, and I just hope that the queue is not going to be that long. Cross finger. So we're actually inside the Basilica and it's really beautiful. The only tip that I can give you is not to wear any miniskirt or short dresses or any sleeveless shirt, or else you will need to do like me, buy a souvenir, a t-shirt souvenir.
Basilica of Venice is very nice, but there is a big problem. You enter and it's €3, but when you are inside, if you want to see all the basilica, you need to pay more money. €5 for one thing, another €5 for another things. That is not good. No. Our tour here in Venice was a little bit unlucky. Firstly, we find the famous library here in Piazza San Marco closed. And then more than 2 hours to queue to enter in the Palazzo Ducale. But I'm happy because we are visiting one of the most beautiful and unique city around all the world.
These are Murano glasses that are produced in Murano, an island very close to Venice. It's one of the most refined and renowned type of crafts worldwide. So we've just bought some mixed fried seafood and we're going to taste it. Inside we've got some shrimps, fish, and if I'm not mistaken, some calamari. I love it. octopus with squid ink. Let's taste it. Amazing.
Bacala, buon appetit. I don't have word to describe this. So good.
That's really good. I don't really know which one to choose between yesterday night or today, because this one is really creamy as compared to the other one. Really difficult choice. So guys, I chose the spaghetti with scampi and pistachio. Let's taste it. Perfect. Too good to be true. How about yours?
We choose spaghetti alla pescatora, and it's made with seafood and some kind of fish, and I can see is very delicious. Amazing. Amazing.